Ryan the Fan Guy here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit the light set script settings. So I am in the process of creating the Italian design Saturns. So yeah, this is how you do it. So basically what you do is if you're at your bulbs, so the bulbs where you want lighted in this light kit. So you have the bulb in here, the bulb in here, and bulb in here. This light contains 3 bulbs. So if your light contains 3 bulbs, what you do is you cut the original light script out. Then you copy the light script from another fan. So say I'm going to do it off the halogen star because it uses the same exact bulbs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy, and I'm going to click in here, paste into, and paste into. So that's what you do to put the light script in. So now what you can do is test it out now, and then come on. And now I'm at fan testing, and this is where I normally land. I have a bunch of all of these fans here. That's the wrong way. Sorry, it's the wrong way, guys. So here we go. So now we're here with the Italian Design Victorians. The Italian Design Saturns. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the light. Click on that light button. Then the light works. Then it should work with you guys too. Now we're going to try demo just the heck of it. And I will adjust the tones on these ones later, because I am going to have different random tones on these. Like, I'm going to make these 2 sound like my mom's friends, Panama. And that one right there has the regular tone. I'm going to make those 3 sound like my Saturn that I have in my bedroom. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, subscribe.